can see the sunflower has started to die off. Sometimes you can find it goes brown on the top, but this one's at the yellow stage. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off a little bit behind the stem, just here. And we're going to take it inside. And what you'll see is we'll actually be able to brush some of this off, and underneath is the seed. So what we need to do next is you start to brush all this away and actually see the seeds are underneath. And then what you can do is you can take them, obviously you can eat them, you can use them, try them out, use them for next year, roast them, whatever you want to do. And it's as simple as that.